everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download TikTok video without the watermark. This method works on both iOS and Android. It's super easy and quick. But just a quick reminder before we dive in, make sure you have a permission from the original creator or copyright holder before downloading any video on their page. So for this step, I'm going to share my screen with you. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. I'm going to use my second TikTok account for this tutorial. Normally, if you tap the three dots and hit save video, TikTok adds watermark to the video that you just saved. Let me show you what that looks like in the gallery. See right there, see there is a watermark on the video. Now let's remove that watermark. Go back to the TikTok video and this time around, tap the arrow icon, share, just above the three dots. From the options at the top, tap copy link, right? Tap copy link. Next, open your browser. I'm using Google on Safari. If you are using iPhone, you use Google on Safari and type in snaptik.com. After typing in snaptik.com, tap on the link. Tap on the link and then the page will show. Paste the copied link into the box and hit download. There might be few ads, just scroll past them. Choose download saver. I usually go with the saver one and tap download. Again, once the download is complete, you will see a blue icon. If you are using iPhone, you will see that blue icon. Hit on that blue icon and then you will see your video right there. Tap on the video and then save the video to your gallery. Now let's head over to our gallery. Yes, that is the video right there without TikTok watermark. And there you have it. That is super easy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you in my next one. Bye bye.